Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Seller Central Access, brand registry if eligible, and a linked Amazon advertising account. This unlocks targeting options. Next, pick 1 to 3 high-converting SKUs to test. You want clean listings and strong images. Once chosen, set a sensible daily budget, for example $10 to $50 per SKU, and create a sponsored products campaign. This gives ASIN-level control and fast visibility, so you can gather early performance signals immediately. Now you structure campaigns around clear objectives: awareness, conversions, or profit. Separate campaigns by goal so metrics stay meaningful. Start with auto campaigns to harvest converting search terms, then export the search term report to build phrase, exact, and negative keyword lists. For bidding, run conservative auto bids to learn CPCs and apply manual bids on top-performing keywords. This improves cost per acquisition. Once the data arrives, adjust match types and negative keywords to reduce waste and finish by iterating systematically. Review campaigns every 7 to 14 days, pause non-performers, and increase bids on winners in small increments, for example 20%, to scale profitably. Monitor a COS, TACOS, CTR, and conversion rate, and always relate changes back to your margin so you don't scale loss-making traffic. If things go wrong, troubleshoot listing health, buy box status, and negative keyword overlap. These issues often block conversions, so fix them, then retest with a controlled budget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.